Hi guys, you're on vrm24.com channel. My name is Evgeny and we continue to show useful tests for mobile devices. And today the theme of our video will be how to test the smartphone produced by Samsung for leak tightness. Of course, the stick will not confirm with 100% probability that the phone is sealed, but at least it will let you know if the phone is well glued after repair. Let's test! As you can see, the test is quite simple, and so you can check any device that is initially sealed and has the function of the barometer. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, put the like, write comments, and see you on our channel.